Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the coolest Excel tools out there. As always, we try to add functionality that isn't native to Excel by combining it with tools like the Google Maps API. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of our most powerful tools, the Retail Product Locator App. This tool will save you time and effort by matching a list of customers to the nearest product location based on distance and proximity. Whether you're managing 10 customers or 1,000, this tool does the hard work for you. Let me show you how it works. The Retail Product Locator app is built entirely in Excel, so there's nothing to install. All you need is Excel and a Google Maps API key. If you don't know how to get a Google Maps API key, don't worry. I got a step-by-step video linked in the description that walks you through it. It works like this. Set up your data. First, enter your store list or product locations in the tool. These can be full addresses, cities, zip codes, or a mix of all three. In my example, I've added 6 locations, stores A, B, C, D, and so on. But the tool can handle hundreds, even thousands of product locations. Next, enter your customer list. You'll need the customer address since that's how we determine the location. Adding customer names is optional, but it can make the results easier to read. Once your data is set up, click the Calculate button. The tool will automatically match each customer to the closest product location, show the driving distance and straight line distance in miles, provide the estimated driving time in minutes. This works for any number of customers and stores. The tool takes care of calculations in just a few seconds to minutes, saving you hours of manual work. So, who is this tool for? Retailers who want to connect customers to the nearest product location, distributors managing a large list of stores or warehouses and serving multiple clients, customer service teams who need to quickly provide product availability for customers in specific regions. Basically, if you work with product locations and customers, this tool will save you time, effort, and reduce errors. We've been building Excel tools like this for over 16 years, and we've helped more than 7,500 happy customers simplify their tasks and give them more time to work on other important things. Every week, we get emails from clients sharing how these tools have been a lifesaver, streamlining their work and improving efficiency in their day-to-day operations. On top of that, we have over 120 5-star Google reviews from real users. Considering we only started our Google business profile a few years ago, we're truly overwhelmed by the positive feedback we've received. Feel free to browse through them. Now, if you have any questions or need any help with the tool, feel free to reach out. Here's something that sets us apart. We actually answer the phone. Here's our phone number. Here's our email, or you can reach us via live chat on our website. Also, if you need a custom version of this tool or have specific requirements, let us know. We understand that some of you might have unique processes or needs beyond what this tool offers, so please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to get started with the Retail Product Locator app, check out the download link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tools. Until next time, happy calculating.